Today I'll be teaching you the third class of autumn. The first line is sun. After sun, you stretch out your left hand while looking at it, then you put your right hand on your waist. Now let's try to play it twice using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you hit it on the rim. After, you stretch out your right hand forward while your left hand is closer to your chest. Now let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's link them playing twice using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our third class of autumn. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.